chess puzzles today. So there will be 4 puzzles and they're all mate in 4. And let's just start with the first one here. So in this first one, what we find is the white is ahead by plus 8 points. So that is a lot of points. It basically has a queen, and as you can see, black doesn't have a queen. And so plus 8 points. It is going to be black to move. Feel free to stop the video if you want to work on a solution on your own. All right, so solution to this puzzle is you can basically just start with a check. There is no place for the king to go because this is covered by the pawn. So only way to stop this is with the knight. At this point, you can give a check with a knight. And now the king, only square the king can actually move safely is just this. And once you do that, you can essentially take this and give a check. And the only square that is left is to essentially bring this over here, bishop, to obstruct it, but then you can take it and there's a check. So that's checkmate, and that is the solution to this puzzle. So moving on to the second puzzle, here the material is pretty much even. What we find is that white has only plus 1 point. So white is plus 1 point, and in this it is going to be black to move, and it is also a mate in 4 puzzle. Please feel to stop the video if you want to work on a solution on your own. All right, so the solution here is we can just start with a check. King has only one good square. You can bring this knight here and give a check. Then it can go over here. Now the trick is to use your rook to give a check. And if you give a check, rook can be taken by the knight, but black has a beautiful move of using the other knight to give a check. So that is the solution to this puzzle. Moving on to the third puzzle, here it is going to be white to move. Black has a lot of extra material. You can see it is plus 7 points. Basically, black has lots of pawns. It has 7 pawns, and it also has a rook, and the white has a bishop and only 2 pawns. And both have sides have queens. Feel free to stop the video if you want to work on a solution on your own. All right, so the best solution here is you can give a check. The best way to stop this is to just kind of move this. You can give a check. Then this queen can essentially obstruct the check. At this point, your best solution is to essentially take this. So the king can come over here, and then you can use a pawn to deliver a check. So that is the solution to this checkmate. And now coming to the last puzzle. Here it is going to be white to move, and material is exactly even between the two sides. Feel free to stop this video if you want to work on a solution on your own. All right, so the solution here is to start with a check, as usually is the case. The queen is sacrificed, and now what you can do is you can use this other rook to give a check. And the only way to prolong this is for this rook to come here. You can just take this, then this rook can come here, and then you can take this, and that's checkmate. So those are the 4 puzzles. Hopefully you have had fun. Thank you very much for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.